Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel today. It's another day with another airdrop, a very solid banger I brought for you guys, and I hope that you find it interesting and for you guys to participate in. So today airdrop that we're talking about is called ChainOpera AI. Now, if you can look at it, this is their website. It says the blockchain and protocol for co-owning and co-creating decentralized AI apps, an agent for humanity. Now backed by a federated AI OS and platform. Now guys, I need to remind you that this year, AI agent is one of the biggest sector in this bull run. And coupled with what recent Donald Trump actually said as the US president, he says that America will be the world biggest AI crypto and crypto bank. So it's giving us a hint that any AI agent this year bull run, their sector is going to go massive. And so that's why guys, I don't want you to joke with this farming. I need you guys to actually participate in it as early as possible. And remember, I'll put my referral link in the description below. Click on it and start farming. So before we go any further, I just want to say is this video, this disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes. Please uh, do your own research and make sure you've carried out, you do your due diligence. And so without any further ado, let's get on it. Guys, remember, don't always forget to subscribe, like, and comment. It helps the channel grow. So let's get into it. So as you can see, I'm already in the platform now, and this is how the website looks like. This is how their site looks like. You see how fantastic it is. That's to tell you how good these guys are. They are a solid project, a very solid airdrop that I know that is going to cook for us this year. Remember guys, that I promise you that only solid project I will bring online for you. So these are just little AI agent app ecosystem about the whole about ChainOpera AI. So what you need to do is when you come here is click on here that you're going to see this particular button. Click on it and it's going to open a new tab for you. That's the quest. That's how it begins. Now your AI terminal is coming soon. So you have to complete for your points. So first of all, you need to join. Then secondly, you need to follow. And then thirdly, join the Discord and all of the sweet part of things. Then enter an invite code for you to get a sum of 300 points. So here is it. So click on here. So it's going to ask you to connect wallet, whichever wallet that you'll be using. I suggest you use MetaMask. It's very good. So I will connect my MetaMask. Yes, and boom, we are good to go. We are good to go. So all in all we're going to do here is the task here is to join the wait list. So it's going to ask please enlist. It says ensure that you fill the information correctly. If you find any disparity during our subsequent identity verification, your point will be cancelled. So guys, you need to be very, very careful. So you may choose more than one option. So what is your role? That's the first question. What can you do? Is it an AI end user, AI contrader, AI application developer, data GPU provider, an AI issuer, AI agent developer? These are just things that you can. Are you a data contributor, model developer, or others? So most of us are actually AI end users, and then others. So you can click on this, which I believe not necessary actually. Let's just go with AIN. So I'm going to click on here. I agreed, and then you click on okay, we need to enter our email address here. Sorry, guys. Before we filled up here, there's a provision because we want to join the wait list. So I'm going to add this one, and then move downward, and then click submit. So it's already been submitted successfully, which means I'm done with this part. And you see my point is already accumulated. I've already seen 1 point here, so it's done because I've already done it, and that's why you are seeing the 300. So the next thing for you to do, guys, is to go here and follow, and then you are going to put your handle once you follow them. So you click here, here it is. So you follow, and then here you come, and then you put your handle. So this is my handle, and I'm going to confirm. So automatically it's been submitted because I've done it. So I've already carried out this one. So I've already followed them, so that's why you are seeing it. It has already read up here in that way. So after, if it is being confirmed, you see the point got up here. So you are going to join the Discord, and then you invite new users. The more you invite, the more users you invite, the better you're going to get more. And then here is asking you for bonus, because if you have a referral person, if you put it automatically, we get between 100 to 300 bonus. It's just as simple as that. It's not stressful, and that's all. That's just all. You've positioned yourself for the airdrop. It's as simple as that. It's not stressful, as we can see. That's just all. Remember, guys, it's a very, in fact, as a matter of fact, I know it's a very legit airdrop. So guys, don't joke with it. Make sure you get into it as early as possible. Thank you very much. If you're really enjoying the content I'm uploading, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. This comment section is open for you. For any question, feel free to ask your question there, and I'll be there to answer as early, as much as I can respond on time. Thank you very much for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.